Look here now, Internet. We're going to balance some of these equations, and you already have an Edpuzzle on this, so I just want to do some in person with you, where we're sitting down here working together. I'm going to drop some hints. We're going to be moving a little bit quicker. Balancing equations, it's pretty fun. It's like a little game. Couple things to remember. When you put it, the only thing you can do is place a number in front of each formula. And what we're doing here is we're making sure we have the same number of every type of atom on each side. So what this means is if there's an equation, an aluminum nitrate and potassium chloride combine and make aluminum chloride and potassium nitrate, well, there'll have to be the same number of atoms in the end that there were at the beginning. It's called the law of conservation of matter. And so we have to balance these equations to figure out how they'd actually happen. So I'm just going to balance them with you, and the rest you're going to do on this little sheet, okay? So watch and learn. Here we go. This is how you do it. There's one aluminum here, and there's one aluminum there, so I feel good about that. Let's look at these nitrates. We need to think of nitrate. Just think of that as the entire polyatomic ion. So see, there's 3 nitrates here, and there's only 1 nitrate over here. So I'm going to put a 3 here. And now there are 3 nitrates, and there are 3 nitrates here as well. Does that make sense? So putting that 3 there made it where I also had 3 potassiums. So there's only 1 potassium atom on this side, so I'm going to need a 3. Now putting a 3 there gave me 3 chlorines. Well, look right here. There's 3 chlorines there, so that's good. So I've got 1 aluminum here, 1 aluminum. 3 nitrates, 3 nitrates, 3 potassiums, 3 potassiums, 3 chlorines, and 3 chlorines. We're good. Put a 1 in the blanks that you didn't need to write in. 1, 3, 1, 3. Let's try another one. I'm going to try to get you even closer. All right? Let's look at this next one. F2, that's fluorine gas. There's 2 fluorines there, 2 fluorines there. That's good. Let's look at our magnesium. There's 1 magnesium there, 1 magnesium there. That's good. There's 2 chlorines there, and 2. Oh, we're good. 1, 1, 1, 1. That one was already balanced. Let's try number 3. There's 2 nitrogen atoms, but there's only 1 nitrogen atom there. Let's balance that. The only thing I can do is put a 2 there, right? So it gives me 2 nitrogen atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms. But look what happened to my bromines. My bromines, it says 2 times 3. If there's 3 bromines, then I'll put a 2 there. That means there's 6 bromines. There's 2 on this side, so guess what? I'm going to put a 3 there. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 1, 3, 2. I hope you're catching on. Let's try some more. There's 1 potassium and 1 potassium. There's 1 OH here, and there's 2 OHs here. So I'm going to put a 2 there. Now that gives me 2 potassiums. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to put a 2 here. Now I have 2 potassiums. Now I have 2 chlorines. Oh, there's 2 chlorines there, so that's good. 1 calcium, 1 calcium. We're done. 2, 1, 2, 1. See how I'm working these? So I'm working these with you. Let's try this one. There are 3 lithiums here. There's only 1 lithium here. So I'm going to put a 3 there. Now putting that 3 there gives me 3 nitrates. 3 nitrates. Look right here. There's 2 nitrates. So we have a problem. There's a nitrate here. There's 3 nitrates here, but 2 here. So we're going to have to find the least common multiple for 3 and 2, and that is 6. So I'm going to bring this one up to 6 by putting a 3 here. I'm going to bring this one up to 6 by putting a 6 there. It's a little game. It's a little math game. So now we have 6 nitrates, and 3 times 2, 6 nitrates. Now we have 6 lithiums. So what am I going to need here? I'm going to need a little number 2 there. And now that gives me 2 phosphates. See See the phosphate? And look over here. There are 2 phosphates. And now I have 3 zincs. And let's check over here. Yep, 3 zincs. Done. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you to finish this worksheet on your own. So that leaves you like 10 of these to try and balance. And yeah, I know you had an Edpuzzle, but you can do this. There are plenty of resources online besides myself, but I'm the best, so watch me. Thanks.